Welcome to Pharma Voice of CPhI and PMAC China Virtual Expo Connect. I'm here with Ms. Zhou Yang, who is currently the Sales Director of Oversea of Dalian INNOBIO. Yang joined INNOBIO in 2013. In the past 8 years, from a marketing specialist, she became the Overseas Sales Director of INNOBIO, responsible for the whole overseas sales business. During this period, she has created the highest sales volume in history of INNOBIO and won the General Manager Special Award. Today, we have Ms. Zhou here. Good afternoon, Ms. Zhou.
Good afternoon. Thank you for having me. It's a great honor here.
Me too. Thank you for joining the interview. What is the position of Chinese natural extract products in the international supply and demand market? How to do a good job in foreign trade export?
Well, as we all know, China plays an important role in the global trade market. But after the outbreak of COVID-19, different industries has responded to the resilience challenge in markedly different ways in terms of the degree of supply chain regionalization. As for the natural extract industry, we have made a remarkable strong revival from last year's COVID-led slump, and the momentum continues due to several factors. First of all, there's a robust global demand for healthcare, especially immunity-enhancing products. Moreover, the intense pandemic situation in foreign countries caused contracted manufacturing activities of our competitors. In addition, the introduction of carbon tariffs by the EU, which favors green technology most Chinese players adopted. And last but not the least, the relief of China and US trade tensions drive the business to further grow. Therefore, we believe China will be continuing to play a leading role in this industry. Under such circumstances, building up a strategic partnership with our customers are crucial to our global businesses. We are actively involved in wrapping their supply chain end-to-end digitalized visibility and risk management capabilities, as well as we enhanced our inventory and planning parameters to better cope with market uncertainties caused by the demand fluctuation and logistic constraints in marine transportation, in order to help our customers to reduce their supply chain vulnerability, not only for COVID, but also for any shocks and disruptions in the future.
Okay, with the continuous enhancement of people's awareness of health consumption, how to grasp the mass market increment and improve the market share of natural products? Thank you.
Well, we collect market data from both online and offline resources and developed our global marketing strategy with our value proposition containing 5 key elements. The first one is switching our target end users to the younger generation who prefer to consume functional natural extracts in the context of snacks, foods, and drinks. As we all know, the natural extracts are highly unstable under most food or drink preparation processes. Therefore, we are committed to develop ingredients stay highly potency in functional food applications. And second, we follow the trend of green and organic consumptions, which is booming globally, especially in the US and the EU. We utilized our SKUs and upgrade product formulas to build up a new line of clean label products to help our end customers to avoid potential effect of pesticides, hormones, GMOs, and antibiotics. And the third one is we further leverage collaborations with domestic and foreign research institutes to advance our R&D capabilities, such as German Research Centers for Health and Environment, Chinese Academy of Science, and many universities globally. Right now, we have an R&D team with more than 100 researchers, either with a doctoral or master degree, completed more than 200 R&D projects, of which nearly 80% has been industrialized. And we received State Science and Technology Progress Award in 2016. And the fourth one is providing extended value offerings to create higher switching costs, such as conducting clinical studies and providing customized formulations and etc. Lastly, we leverage our understandings of the Chinese market and inspire our global customers with those insights. As we all know, the Chinese nutraceutical market are with huge potential, which attracts the global brands who lack of local market insights. We covered this unmet needs by offering regulation and formulation consultations to help our customers' performance in the Chinese market.
Okay, actually, could you introduce to us what is the layout of the big health industry? Will we build production bases at home and abroad?
Well, INNOBIO Overseas business covers from North America, Europe, Asia, and to Australia, with more than 50 countries and regions. And more than 70% of our revenue are from overseas market. Through the years, we have established partnerships with many international leading brands in nutrition and healthcare industry. We strive to grow from a generic players to a leading brand in the global market. And since 2018, we started our localization project to expand our operation globally and set up local offices and warehouses in the US and Europe, not only to the logistic and warehouse optimization, but also to leverage more on the global R&D capabilities, which I just mentioned in the last question. In the future, we will further utilize our global strategy for better customer engagement, SKU rationalization, procurement spend reduction, demand and supply synchronization, and manufacturing productivity enhancement.
Okay, and the last question. As we know, environmental protection has been paid more and more attention. So how should your company achieve environmental protection, ecological harmony, and sustainable development while innovating? Thank you.
Well, that is a really good question. And our company is more than ever focused on environmental and sustainability goals, the ESG, which is caused by several factors. The investors, they seek information on a company's ESG performance, and employees, they want to work for companies with sustainability built into their mission statement. And there's increased customer expectations for sustainability and increased regulation from various countries. Therefore, we believe the sustainable supply chain practice, no doubt, are here to stay. And for us, we have developed green chemical and biosynthesis technology platforms to optimize the process and solve the problems of low efficiency, high cost, and high pollution in the traditional production processes. The biosynthesis technology platform select unique control system, which replaced harmful chemical reagent, curb energy consumption, and reduce carbon emissions. The technology is continuous, automated, enzyme catalysis-based, not only good for the environment, but also produce high-quality products, which eliminates the presence of glycidyl ester, benzyl pyrene, heavy metals, residues, allergens, and other pollutants in the products. Lastly, we kept ESG to the organizational culture and encourage our employees and partners to adopt ESG practices in every aspect of our daily operation. And hopefully we can bring positive contribution to the society. Thank you.
Wow, I think we just had a great talk today. Thank you, Ms. Zhou, for your time and sharing. That concludes our interview. Thank you for watching and hope you enjoy. Check more interviews on vec.pharmasources.com. Thank you.
Thank you.